Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about e to the power of f and 8 equals to capital 8. So we know that capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, I will put the limit goal here. So we need to concentrate on this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. F and 8 to the power of b equals to b f and 8. So capital A, that is about cosine x. Capital B, that is about 1 over x squared. And now we need to transform this one into this one. So I will put this one goal here. So when s approaches to number 0, cosine of number 0, we have number 1, f, and number 1 u got 0. This one u got 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So first the derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one we have negative sine s over cosine s. Next, this one we can put like this. So we have the formula in here. So this one we have number 1 and number 1. So capital 8 equals to number 1. When s approaches to number 0, this one equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. And we have negative 1 over 2. That means the value of this one equals to e to the power of negative 1 over 2. And this one we can put like this. Because 1 over 2 represents the square root, but we have the negative sign in here. That's why they will go to the denominator, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.